In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Shopify in 25. This is an essential integration for those wanting to streamline their online payment process and provide customers with a smooth and secure checkout experience. Whether you're setting up a new store or enhancing your existing setup, connecting Stripe to Shopify is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. Once there, you can either create a new account or log into your existing one. The user interface of Shopify is designed to be intuitive, so you should find your way around quite easily. Next, open a new tab in your browser. This allows you to seamlessly switch between your Shopify and Stripe accounts without losing your place. Make sure to keep your Shopify tab open because you'll need to return to it shortly. Now, in the new tab you've just open, head over to the Stripe website. If you already have a Stripe account, simply log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Stripe is known for its ease of use and comprehensive support, making it a popular choice for Shopify store owners looking to accept payments online. After successfully logging into Stripe, navigate back to your Shopify tab. It's time to dive into the settings of your Shopify store to establish the connection between these two powerful platforms. On your Shopify homepage, you'll see a variety of options. Click on the Settings option, located usually at the bottom left of your dashboard. Within the Settings menu, look for the Payments option and click on it. This is where you can manage how your store handles transactions. Once you're in the Payments section, you'll see an option to choose a provider. Selecting this will open up a list of available payment processors that you can integrate with your Shopify store. In the list that appears, locate the search bar and type in Stripe. This feature makes it easy to find Stripe among the many available options. Once you've found Stripe in the results, click on it to proceed. You will then see a Next button. Clicking on this will begin the process of connecting Stripe to your Shopify account. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will typically involve authenticating your Stripe account with Shopify. This may include copying certain keys or granting the necessary permissions for the integration to function correctly. At this point, you might also see a QR code. This is a convenient option for mobile users who prefer connecting via their smartphone. Simply scan the QR code using your phone to expedite the connection process. Whether you choose to connect by following the instructions or using the QR code, ensure that all settings are correctly configured to avoid any hiccups with future transactions. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now successfully connected to Stripe. This integration will ensure that your customers have a seamless payment experience, which is vital for any business aiming for growth in the competitive world of e-commerce. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!